Hello everyone, welcome to the yarn bowl. Today we'll see how to crochet this cute bunting. Meanwhile, if you're new to this channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon as well so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So today I've taken 3 colors of yarn and 3.5mm crochet hook. So we are going to create a granny triangle. For that I have taken a color 1 yarn which is yellow and I've created magic ring, chain 3 and going to work 3 double crochets in the magic ring. The starting chain 3 is also considered as our first double crochet. And then I'm going to work chain 2 and we'll work 4 double crochet again in the magic ring and then chain 2 and then chain 2 and again one more set of 4 double crochets on the magic ring, and finally we end with chain 2 and then we do a slip stitch on top of our starting chain 3. Meanwhile you can tighten your magic ring and then you do a slip stitch on top of the starting chain 3, fasten off your yarn and change the color. You can also secure your magic ring with a knot so that it doesn't come off. Now I'm changing the color of the yarn and then I'm going to work chain 3 and then I will work 1 double crochet in each double crochet of the previous row, and then on the corner chain 2 space I'm going to work 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochets. So on each corner I am going to work 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet, and then on each double crochet of the previous row I am going to work 1 double crochet. So I am going to continue working like this around and then I will do a slip stitch on top of our starting chain 3. So I'm going to do a slip stitch on top of the starting chain 3, then fasten off, cut the yarn, and then change the color of the yarn. I'm changing the color of the yarn. Similar to the previous row, we will do a chain 3, and then I'm going to work 1 double crochet each double crochet of the previous row, and then in the corner chain 3 space I will work 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet. So just similar to the previous row, we are going to work 1 double crochet on each double crochet of the previous row, and then in the corner chain 3 space I am going to work 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochets around, and then I will do a slip stitch on top of starting chain 3. So I'm going to end this row. I'm going to do a slip stitch on top of the chain 3, starting chain 3, and then I'm going to cut the yarn, fasten off and secure my yarns with a knot. Our crochet granny triangle is ready. Now I'm just going to add a tassel to it. So our tassel is ready. I'm just going to attach it to the granny triangle. So one of our granny triangle with the tassel is ready. So I'm going to create more of them. So I've decided to create a door decor. So I'm taking a measurements for that. For me, I required 9 triangles with tassels. So I've created 9 of them, and to attach them I'm just taking another string of yarn, crocheting 5 chains, and then on the top part of a triangle I'm going to work only on the back loops. I'm going to slip stitch on the back loop of my granny triangle on the top. So I'm going to work like this throughout the top side of my granny triangle. I keep going. So work on each back loop of the granny triangle. Do a slip stitch on each back loop of the granny triangle. Keep working like this till you reach the end. Work chain 5 and then start attaching the next granny triangle. So like we did before, I'm going to work on the back loop of the granny triangle. I work slip stitch on each back loop of the granny triangle. So continue working like that, and then in between you work chain 5. So keep working like this and attach all the granny triangles. I've attached the granny triangles. I've added one tassel on each side of the string that we used to attach the granny triangle. So attach all the granny triangles to your string So our bunting is ready. So for this bunting I have used all bright colors so that it pops up. So I wanted it that way. You can prefer using any colors you want, and please try this at home and let me know your comments below. Hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye.